So we are at the Bear Sanctuary. Let's talk camera. Mission attempt failed. Good morning, guys. How are you? It's very foggy and very cold morning. Very unusual for this time of year since it's summertime. It should be around 20, maybe 25 degrees, but very cold, and I'm so happy that I took my 3 seasons jacket. Anyways, I'm just here for a quick stop to take a few photos. And today I'm going to a very interesting place, so stay with me. You can see the clouds, you can see the fog, you can see a ray of sunlight. It's so nice to ride. It's getting warmer. Check out this view. This is the center of Mrkopalj village. As you can see, small houses from inside. While I'm waiting for the guys, I want to show you something. So this is the path that goes all around the lake. So you can walk, you can run, whatever you want to do. But this is so cool. This is smart bench. So over here you have a bench that is solar powered and you can charge your phone. You have USB ports. Look at this. Let's try this out. Okay. Boom, charging. So cool. And look at here, 2 USB ports, and I'm charging my drone batteries. You can sit over here, you have view on the lake. Very modern. Vi ko da ste iz Novog Zelanda, Aj, dobro. Kako si debel, ko svinja, a? We are on our way. And we are going to viewpoint, and I'm going to take a few shots and a few clips with my with my camera on long stick. The worst part when you're riding to these small villages, if you're hungry, you're going to be I mean, you can feel the smell from every house. They are cooking dinner, they are cooking barbecue. I can feel, I mean, I know how much salt they put on the meat. Jesus, I'm so hungry. So we are riding towards the coast, towards the sea. I think that coast is around maybe let's say 2 or 3 kilometers, and you can feel the different air, you can smell the different air. It's warmer and it's that sea air. Check this out, check this out. There's the sea over there. There's a lot of shit on the road, so good thing is that at least there are horses, but I think that it's too early. They're usually on the plateau in the evening and early in the morning, not in the middle when it's most hot. So I think that we're not going to see wild horses, but yeah, what can you do? At least you can see shit on the side of the road from the wild horses. Check this out. Came to this hills over here, on this beautiful road. This is, I think, Mrkopalj, and this is Novi Vinodolski city, and we're going to continue that way, I think. That horse shit is going to be in the middle of the road next to the curve, so when I'm exiting the curve I slip on the horse shit, flew away into the cliff, and I'm dead. Next day in the newspapers you're going to read, he slipped on the horse shit and died. Here they are. Over here, when you come in sunset, these roads are full of horses. The horses are walking over here on this plateau. It's amazing, really. I will try to come here next time around sunset time. Oh, look, there too, over there. Let me give you just a little bit of the tour. It's full of tourists and it's the worst time because it's the season here in Croatia, so it's the worst time to ride a motorcycle on the coast. That's why I avoid the coast during the summer. Okay, that's done for this year. So if you're ever here in Croatia, you want to ride motorcycle, this is one of the nicest roads ever. You are riding next to the coast, you can pull over, take a swim. Damn, I would like to take a swim so bad. Now we have to ride at least 150 kilometers, Maybe if we have time, we will stop at the bear sanctuary, but still some, let's say, 2-hour ride. Check out the view, guys. Amazing. So we are going this way or maybe this way. Spontaneous choice. Checkpoint done. Let's go into the wild again. Not sure exactly where it's going to take us, but that's the spirit of adventure, right? A little bit off-roadish. We turned on this gravel road. Not too bad. What a beautiful place. What a beautiful place. The bear sanctuary should be very close. We are here. So we are at the bear sanctuary and all the volunteers are working here, and we are going to see the bears now. On 2,000 subscribers, Matja will talk in English.
French.
Meditation corner over here. Not bad. I could use a meditation after all day of riding. Learning from the bears. Let's see the map over here. So basically on this chart my weight is 3-year-old bear. That's 100 kgs. Bear diet. Maybe I should go on bear diet. I wouldn't be so fat. I think there's bear. Wow. Wow. So all these wooden plates are from people from around the world who help the bears with donations or they visit them. Crazy. So many of them. All around the world. France, Austria, Africa. This is the part with young bears. There are 3 of them right here. And this is so amazing, people caring about these bears who lost their home. So over here, this is the place for volunteers. And over here, this is the camp for volunteers. They have their place, kitchen, and they are over here from all around the world. Beautiful. People from around the world taking care of bears here in Croatia. Such a nice story. If you're ever here in Lika, in Kuterevo, visit for sure and leave some donations for bears. It's getting dark and it's getting really cold. Let me just check the bike quick. Everything's secured. Okay. Mobile is here. I think I have everything. Into the wild again. It's getting dark and it's getting colder, and I have a tinted visor. Yay! At least the view is amazing. It's going to be fun 65 kilometers ride. What a fucking amazing day. I must tell you something really amazing. I saw kids on the playground playing basketball and football. They're not on their mobile phones, they're playing basketball with real basketball and with real ball. Amazing. That's like a rare sight to see in these days. Kids playing on the playground without their mobile phones. Right now we are riding through middle of the Lika. Lika is big plateau here in Croatia. There are mountains from each side, from the left and from the right, and this is like a beautiful plateau. It's amazing, really amazing.